3018552 from K7. I will present material about descriptive and report text. Firstly, I will discuss material about descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text that aims to provide a detailed description of an object, place, even so that those who read it can imagine what the author is describing. Next, general structure of descriptive text. 1. Title. Title indicates the topic to be described. 2. Identification or general description. Identification or general description is present a general description of the object being described. 3. Part description. Part description is describe the specific parts of the object in detail. 4. Conclusion or impression. Conclusion or impression is conveys the author's impression or opinion regarding the object being described. And next, characteristic of descriptive text language. 1. Use adjective to provide details. Number 2. Use detailed sentence that involve the 5 sense. 3. Using static verbs to describe condition. The generic structure of the text The Majestic Mountain is: first, introduction. Present the main subject of the description. 2. Sets the scene and provides an overview of what will be described. Number 2 is body. 1. Provide detailed description of different aspects of the subject. 2. Use sensory details to each the reader's sense. 3. Often organize spatially or by order of importance. Next, conclusion. 1. Summarize the overall impression of the subject. 2. May reflect on the significance or the emotional impact of the subject. Characteristic of the descriptive text language. 1. Use descriptive, adjective, and adverbs to create detailed image. Example, the majestic mountain stood tall, its peak piercing the sky, covered with a blanket of snow that glistened under the golden rays of the sun. 2 is sensory details. Engage the first sense to help the reader imagine the sense. Example, the air was crisp and cool, carrying the presence of pine trees. 3. Figurative language. Figurative language implies metaphors, similes, and personification to add depth to description. Example, each tree with its verdant needles seem to whisper secret of the forest. Four is spatial organization. Describe the subject from one part to another systematically. Example is: as one ascended her, the forest began to thin, revealing a rocky terrain. 5 is emotion. Next, I will discuss material about report text and example report text. And next material is report text. Report text is text that present factual information about an object, place, or even best the result of observation or research. The aim to convey information objectively and systematically. General structure of report text. 1. Title. Title indicates the topic being reported. 2. Classification. Classification is grouping the reported objects. 3. Part description. Part description provides a detailed description of each part of the object. And next material is report text language characteristic. 1. Use scientific and formal language. Number 2. Information is presented objectively without the author opinions. 3. Use variable data and fact the object. And next material is characteristic report text. 1. Title clearly states the subject of the report. Number 2 is introduction. Briefly, it introduces the subject and the purpose of the report. Provide an overview of what will be covered. Number 3 is background information. Over contextual information about the subject. Includes historical data, relevant background, or situational context. 4 is characteristic. List and describe the main attributes and feature of the subject. Each characteristic should be detailed in its own subsection for clarity. Number 5 is analysis. Analysis provides an in-depth analysis the characteristic. Compress and contrast with similar subject or standards. Discuss the implication or significance of the characteristic. 6. Visual aids. Visual aids include cards, graphs, table of image that support the text. Ensure visual aids are clearly labeled and referenced in the text. 7. Conclusion. Conclusion summarizes the key findings of the report. Emphasize the most important characteristic and their impact. May include recommendation or future consideration. And the last, reference lists all the source or information data used in the report. Follows a consistent citation style. And next, general structure. General structure of the text is 1. Introduction. Introduce the subject of the described verse. 2. Provide basic information about the subject, such as classification and distribution. Number 2 is body. Body is detail the characteristic and physical attribute of birds. 2. Explain the dietary habits and variation among different species of birds. Next, characteristic of the text. 1. Informative and factual. Provide factual information about birds, their classification, and their habitat. 2 is categorization. Categorization divides information into specific categories such as classification, habitat, cycle, characteristic, and diet. 3. Descriptive details. Descriptive detail includes detailed description of physical traits and behaviors. For comparison and contrast. Comparison and contrast highlights difference among bird species, particularly in terms of diet. And next, scientific and technical language. Scientific and technical language is use specific terms related to biology and zoology. Example, caniforms and omnivores. Definition: descriptive text is a type of text that aims to describe a person, place, object, or even using vague and rich details the readers can imagine or feel what is being described. General structure. In one introduction. Introduction is the subject to be introduce the subject to be described and provide a general overview. To body. Body is provide detailed description of various aspects of the subject using sensory details to engage the readers. Number 3 is conclusion. Conclusion is concludes or gives an overall impression of the subject described. Next is language characteristic. Language characteristic is using imagery to create a clear picture in the reader's mind. 2 is involves sensory details, sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. 3 is using emotive and figurative language such metaphor and personification. 4 is use adjective and adverb to enrich description. Example, description of nature such as mountains or forest. Number 2 example-nya is a description of a person or character in a story. Number 3 is description of specific subject such as paintings or historical buildings. Next material is report text. Report text is a type of text that aims to convey factual information about a subject objectively and systematically. This is text focus on presenting data and fact without involving personal opinions. Next, general structure. General structure-nya is general classification. General classification is introduce the subject and provides a general classification or basic definition. Number 2 is description. Description is provide detailed information about various aspects of the subject, such as physical appearance, habitat, behavior, and other characteristics. Next is language characteristic. Language characteristic is 1. Use formal and objective language. Number 2 is present information based on fact and accurate data. Number 3 is use technical and specific terms relevant to the subject. Number 4 is doesn't involve the author personal opinions or feelings. Next is using example. Example report about animal or plant species. Number 2 is reports about natural phenomena such as earthquake or volcanoes. Number 3 is reports on the result of scientific research or case studies. Key difference. Purpose is descriptive text aims to describe something in detail and emotively, while report text aim to convey factual and objective information. Number two differentiation is language style. Descriptive text use rich and figurative language, where report text use formal and technical language. Instructor. Descriptive text is more flexible in its presentation, while report text has a stricter and more systematic structure. Next, descriptive text and report text have different and ways of presenting information. Descriptive text focus on detail and sensory description to create a visual and emotional experience for readers, where report text focus on conveying factual information objectively and systematically. Understanding this difference is important for crafting that suit your purpose and intended audience.
Hope you do. Come on.